Ever wondered how to make your business look more professional online? It all starts with a custom business email address. Let's kick off with the most important question. Why does having a business email actually matter? Email's still the number one way businesses get in touch with clients, partners, and suppliers. And the address you use says a lot about you. If you email someone from a generic address like johnsmith@gmail.com, it straight away comes across as personal and a bit informal. But when you send an email from a professional address like your name at yourbusiness.com, everything changes. It instantly makes you look more professional. It shows you're a real, established business. And most importantly, it builds trust. Clients are way more likely to reply, engage, and take you seriously when your email matches your brand. A business email isn't just about sending messages, it's part of your brand identity, yeah? It boosts your credibility. It makes your company seem organized and legit, even if you're just starting out. So, having a proper business email isn't optional anymore. It's a must for anyone who wants to be taken seriously online. Now, let's check out what NeoMail actually offers you. First, and most importantly, you get a fully custom professional email address, something like your name at yourbusiness.com. But NeoMail takes it a step further. Unlike a lot of other providers, Neo actually throws in a free domain with your email. That means you don't have to buy a domain separately. You don't have to connect anything yourself. Everything's bundled together in one easy package. And this isn't just basic email either. NeoMail comes loaded with more than 20 built-in features made just for small businesses. For example, you can schedule appointments right from your inbox, email tracking, so you can see when someone opens your messages, follow-up reminders so you never forget to get back to important clients, email campaigns, letting you send out newsletters and promos, a professional email designer to whip up beautifully formatted emails, a signature designer so every message looks on brand and consistent. And on top of that, NeoMail also throws in a free AI website builder, which, so you're not just getting an inbox, you're getting a full-on communication platform for your business. Everything you need to communicate professionally, stay organized, and grow your brand, all in one system. Now, one of the biggest perks of NeoMail is how easy it is to set up. Heaps of people reckon getting a business email is a hassle. They picture techie settings, domain setups, and all sorts of confusing stuff. With NeoMail, you don't have to worry about any of that. The whole process is designed for people who aren't tech savvy. It's completely step-by-step and perfect for beginners. Here's how easy it is, alright? First up, you sign up, then pick your business name. NeoMail helps you choose a domain, and that's chucked in for free. Next, you set up your email address, and that's pretty much it. No coding, no DNS records, no tech know-how needed. In just a few minutes, you can have a fully functional, professional business email up and running. That makes NeoMail spot on for freelancers, startups, small businesses, as well as creators and entrepreneurs. Basically, anyone who wants a professional email without the headache of a complicated setup. Now, let's chat about pricing, yeah? Because this is where NeoMail really starts to shine. A lot of business email providers advertise a cheap price up front, but then sting you for extras like domains, extra features, and upgrades. NeoMail keeps it simple and affordable. It's made especially for startups and small businesses that need professional tools without the hefty price tag. You get a fully featured business email platform at a really reasonable price. And most importantly, there are no hidden fees. What you see is what you get. A professional email address, a free domain, powerful business features, and an easy-to-use platform, all bundled together in one clear, transparent package. So instead of forking out for a bunch of different tools, one for email, one for scheduling, one for tracking, NeoMail brings the lot together in a single, affordable solution. That makes it a really cost-effective choice for anyone building a business online. Sign up with Nemail using the link in the description to score your professional email and free domain today. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll find powerful features designed to make business emails simple and professional. You can easily migrate from Gmail, set up branded signatures, track opens, send follow-up reminders, and even use AI SmartWrite to help you craft better emails. You also get tools like send later, scheduling, a built-in email designer, full email campaigns, and even an AI website builder all in one place. Everything's built to support your business branding and help you look more professional from day one. Setup is fast and straightforward, so you can be up and running in minutes. So don't wait. Sign up with NeoMail using the link in the description and claim your professional email and free domain today.